Om Shanti. I am B.K. Vijayabhaskar. In my previous episode, we came to know that God descends on earth in India only once at the end of the time cycle to transform the impure, vicious, corrupted, iron-aged world of Kali Yuga into pure, viceless, noble world of Satyug. Today, let us peacefully sit and contemplate on the wonderful creator of this marvelous universe. Can it be the creation of any human being? If no, then who else had created this universe? Tiny insects, bats, birds, beasts, and the human beings? Who could be the invisible maker of sun, moon, stars, and various planets? Who is that universal maker who set all the planets to go round the sun on their respective orbits since time immemorial with such a perfection and without any deviation? Who could he be who directed them so meticulously to rotate without any support as per the divine principles? It is quite evident that this cannot be under the control of human beings. There must be some subtle divine force acting behind all these phenomena. It must be some almighty divine power which we all call God, Bhagwan, Ishwar, Rabb, Allah, Khuda, and so on in the world. No one so far has seen or knew about God but defined him as omnipresent. He is beyond name and form. He exists in every particle. Wherever we glance, he can be found there. It is just a matter of consideration now. God, who is said to have no form, then how can he be seen? In fact, nothing in this universe can exist without name or form. For example, the elements which is not seen but it can be felt is called air or wind or breeze. Similarly, no one has seen the soul that keeps the man alive, but when it leaves the person, he is called dead. The life force that kept the man alive is named as soul, spirit, or ruh, or pran. It is again identified with the name soul or atma. Sky is also the name of an element. In the same way, God is Almighty Authority, the unseen supreme controller of this whole universe. This itself proves that God's exists is true. God is not concerned whether we believe it or not, whether we are astic or Nastik. But his existence is a reality because this universe is created by himself. In my next audio, we will discuss further. Till then, may God bless you with peace and prosperity. Om Shanti. Here, if you liked my views, please subscribe my channel BK Vijay Bhaskar on YouTube and share with all your contacts to enable them to receive divine blessings from God. Thank you. Om Shanti.